Hey Glampers, we're at Potato Creek, Indiana. I think we're going to have a good weekend. We got a lot of potato food coming at you. So another themed weekend with food. So we're going to have a good time, so stick around. So for dinner tonight, our potato dinner is foil packs because we got potatoes in them. And it's basically a foil pack bar. So everybody's making their own foil packs. We're going to cook them off. We're all going to enjoy dinner, man. It's going to be really good. There we are. Once again, we got some snow. I'm gonna switch hands here. I want to be able to drink my coffee. Gotta have some coffee. Morning, Mark. How's it going? I don't think. What's up, buddy?
We came back way too early from Arizona, I know that.
Hey guys, this is Mark. This is somebody we met at Moride. We're going to introduce him and his wife to you a little later. Hi, Oliver. Yeah, I was not expecting to wake up to snow. I mean, I knew there was a chance of snow overnight, but it's just a dusting, but still. Yeah. Whoa.
Did you do that?
I did not do that. I did not do that. I don't know who, it's got to be Jeff Bessner probably did that when he was walking his dogs this morning. I just thought I'd come out and get a little air.
That's pretty.
Yeah, I don't like snow.
I don't either. I hate it.
I'm Mark and his wife spend their winters in Arizona for the last 2 years, right?
Yes.
So he knows what to do. They know what to do. It's stay warm.
Absolutely.
But that's not the case this weekend, so we got to make the best of it. All right, so everybody we have here at Potato Creek, we got Jeff and Lindy Bessner, best today ever. That would be Mark and Leanne, and we'll get into their story here later today. That is Mike and Carla Bessner. And then down here, my man Gary. Follow me to man Gary. You gotta love the smart car. So like I said, we're at Potato Creek in Indiana. And there's 4 sections, I believe, A, B, C, and D. Now there's a 3-mile drive once you get the entrance just to get back to the park, the campground. So understand that if you ever come here. What we've seen so far, a really nice park. This is like the average site. A really deep, I would say 70 feet deep. All right, so we've had such horrible weather today. I mean, literally from midnight until noon, it's been off and on snow and sleet and it's cold. So we found the really interesting place to go called the Studebaker History Museum. Yeah. So if you like old cars, come along. My question was Studebaker, since they started with wagons, of course, were they like the luxury wagon of the day? Just curious.
Oh look, a little miniature one.
All right, so they have a presidential lineup of carriages that presidents would have ridden in. This carriage is the actual carriage Lincoln rode in to the Ford Theater the night he was shot and died the next day. That's insane. What do you think, Gary?
It's
Pretty sweet, huh? It is,
Very
right?
interesting.
I didn't even know that Studebaker was around in the 60s
Yeah,
with
the
that Avanti.
lady downstairs said that South Bend stopped in '62, and she thinks Canada like in '69, and then Avanti ran clear through the 2000s.
Wow, I did not know that. Just under from some other company or under Studebaker?
Well, Avanti.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know if it was under Studebaker.
Yeah. Yeah, see a fire truck. Studebaker fire truck. All right, so we just finished up in the Studebaker Museum. It's also a history museum for South Bend area, so that's where we are, South Bend. And the Studebaker Museum was really cool. I had no idea they were in business that long. So on a really bad day, if you're camping in Potato Creek, it's only a 20-minute drive, maybe 25 minutes. It was worth coming to. So a lot of really cool cars. So one of the good things about staying with other people is the meals that we make. So we're staying at Potato Creek State Park here in Indiana. So we thought we'd do a potato themed weekend. So like breakfast this morning was tater tot casserole. Last night we had potato filled foil packets. Tonight we're having a baked potato bar in the Taj Mahal.
The Taj Mahal of Indiana.
All right, guys, you probably know most of the people around this fire. Gary, follow me, man, Gary, Mike and Carla Betzner, Jeff Betzner, Lindy Betzner. But you're wondering, who are these guys? Who might they be? Well, I'll tell you what, we met these two. We were at Morride just the other day, and we were just sitting chatting, and we met these two guys. This is Mark and Leanne Rogers. And we just said one thing. We said, would you guys like to come camping with us? And they said yes. And now we have friends, not just acquaintances. And
For life.
and that's how this community works. You just say yes and enjoy everybody. And this guy and this lady have been serenading us like crazy, and it's amazing. So thank you guys for saying yes. And we've had a fantastic weekend with you guys. So
Good too.
Spontaneous.
Yeah.
Such a
Food's
blessing.
been great.
so now back to the music.
I used to be a truck driver, and I was in Owensboro, Kentucky. And there's a famous place down there called Moonlight Barbecue. It's a huge barbecue buffet, and I'd never been there. I had some time to kill in the truck, so I went there for lunch, and I mounted up my plate with pulled pork and beef and fish and shrimp and taters and sweet corn and anything you could put on the plate. Had it mounted up so high I needed sideboards on my plate because I got to get all mine first before you get yours. And ain't like you can go back or anything, you know, at the buffet. But got her mounted up just as high as I could get it, and this woman came out with these black cast iron muffin tins full of hot, fresh cornbread. Not Jiffy, cornbread, real cornbread. Burnt black on the bottom, just the way I like it, and a 5-gallon bucket of sweet butter. And it was the best thing on the buffet as far as I'm concerned. I love my cornbread, and I went out to sleep in the truck and wrote this song in about 5 minutes called Cornbread. It's my only requested song. Nobody else likes anything I do. I don't care for caviar, French champagne, or fine cigars. Only one thing turned my head, big old skillet of hot cornbread. Cornbread, cornbread, you heard me right, that's what I said. If I'm gonna die before I'm dead, give me one more slice of hot cornbread. Now really, I'm a simple feller. I don't care if it's white or yellow. A slab of butter might kill me dead. Just put it right there on my cornbread. Cornbread, cornbread, you heard me right, that's what I said. If I'm gonna die before I'm dead, give me one more slice of hot cornbread. Now some like silver now, some like gold. I like chicks and dogs to hold. A fat old cat that we call Fred, and a big old skillet of hot cornbread. Cornbread, cornbread, heard me right, that's what I said. If I'm gonna die before I'm dead, give me one more slice of hot cornbread. Cornbread, cornbread, heard me right, that's what I said. If I'm gonna die before I'm dead, give me one more slice of hot. One more slice of hot. One more slice of hot cornbread. That's cornbread.
So what is it about RVing that gets you excited about going to campgrounds, spending a lot of money to live like you're homeless? There's no rhyme or reason to go through that for the headaches and the arguments that happen when all you wanted to do was relax. RVing, though, has opened up a whole new world for us. A way to see national parks, and yes, even Potato Creek State Park. And the most important is meeting you, our glamping tribe. So yes, we are RVers, and we love it. But that's what we do. Community is who we are. Happy glamping.